biking in the rain. Kind of fun. So we got ding dong. I make envy on your disco. It's raining outside and I've never been so happy. It's so pretty. I think there's a word for it. I think it's pluviophile. Is when you're a lover of rain or like you love the smell of rain, but it feels so cozy. I love it. I have this window open here and I can smell the rain and it's just so nice. So distinct and like, I don't know, there's something about it. You guys, our friend is in town and he also happens to be Filipino. Pinoy Pride. He just got me a bunch of like Filipino snacks and some of these I haven't seen in so long. He also got me yama. I haven't had this in like years. I used to get these when I was still going to school in the Philippines in elementary. It still hits. So we got ding dong. If you know, you know. And these things, the little jelly. And it's mango flavored. I love mango. These things. Oh my god. This is... I remember when I was in school and I would buy 2 of these for like 3 pesos. I'm having like a wave of nostalgia all of a sudden. Oh my god. The taste is giving me so much nostalgia. This was literally my shit. Okay, but we also have otap. If you guys know what otap is, it's like... I actually don't know how to describe it. It's just like a dried biscuit, but it's so good. Oh my freaking god. The choco choco. We would put this in like crackers and so good. Oh, the milk powder. Okay, so I wasn't a fan of these. I preferred Mic Mic. I think that's what it's called, where it's like the straw and you sip like the powder. That's what I like. Then we also have flat top. I'm definitely gonna be snacking on these. Thank you, Ben. Cute. Yo, they give me so much. Yay! I'm excited to try this one. This is the one I tried before, but this one is the new and improved. Wait, are these the same? This one's a gel cream, this one is a lipid peptide cream. Yes! Oh my god! I've been wanting an eye cream. I'm definitely gonna try this out. This one is the eye cream from Skin Fix. Thank you, Skin Fix. And then we have another one. I actually don't know where this one's from. Oh! Bubble Skincare. Okay. Thank you, Bubble. I've actually never tried Bubble before. So I have... Oh my god, wait, so they're all cleanser. Oh, one's a pre-cleanse. It's to remove makeup. So this one is the gel cleanser. This one is the hydrating cream cleanser. This one is an oil cleanser. And this one is the magic melt. Their packaging is so cute, you guys. Look how cute that is. That's all for the PR today. Thank you, Skin Fix and Bubble. You guys, it's raining. We are biking in the rain. It feels so freeing right now. Like, this is great. My appointment is at 11. But yeah, this is the outfit. It's very hot today, so I just want to wear something breezy, beautiful, comfortable. I'm wearing my jorts and my Reeboks. Also gonna be carrying a tote bag with my book in it. I haven't used it in so long and I just found it again in my little storage bag. But I think it's cute. It's like a cute pop of color. friends and I were feeling a little spontaneous, so we all decided to go to Beacons, New York. It's about 60 miles up north of Manhattan and about like almost 2 hours train ride. The train ride was so beautiful. I highly recommend. This is us before the hike. It's so pretty though. You guys, low-key, this is so wild. Like, not me hiking in this outfit. But you know what? I'm all about adventures. I'm a very spontaneous person, so like, I'm fine with this, but kind of fun. And surprisingly, I'm not tired, nor am I like having problems with my feet. These loafers, to be exact, are pretty comfortable. It's from Mango. We're almost at the top, and it stopped raining, which is nice. We have about 10 minutes of hike left. I think total is like an hour hike.
Yeah, I feel like we're in Hawaii.
Alright, I'm gonna explore more towards other overlooks. Oh no fucking way, that's pretty. My arm. She said sledge. I'm fucking dead. That's okay. Hello friends. You guys, I just finished this book right here, and this book is fucking sad. This will break your heart, and you just feel for the characters, basically, especially this one character, Jude, to be exact. I'm not gonna spoil anything, but I think you guys should read this if you're into reading. But if you've read this book before, let me know in the comments down below. Try not to spoil anything, just in case people want to actually read this book. Anyway, I showed this in my last video, but I ordered this new book from Amazon. I saw this circulating on TikTok, and I was extremely interested. But anyway, it's I Make Envy on Your Disco by Eric Schnall. Definitely gonna be a much shorter read, as you can see. Am I gonna cry in this book? I don't know. I almost forgot, but if you want a copy of this book, I will leave it in the description. The weather hasn't been the best lately, but our plants have been loving it. Like, there's a lot of new growth. They're really thriving. Oh, look at this sprout here. I can't wait till it goes like this tall. And of course, our monstera also is growing, and this is a new growth right here. I think in the past video, this was the new one, but like he's now like a teenager. And now we have a baby one right here. I also didn't really show my haircut with you guys. It's not styled right now, so it's like not the best, but I just had my barber like take half an inch off the top, and for the sides I didn't want it to be like short, so he actually just used a blend of scissors and the, oh my god, what is that called, the razor. Yeah, it looks like this, not styled. This is what the back looks like, the sides. Anyway, I love it. It's exactly what I was looking for. And if you guys are wondering where I go to, I like to go to the one in Bushwick. It's called Black Rabbit Barbershop. The one that gets my hair is AJ, so shout out AJ. I found out about them when I was thrifting in that area. I was just like walking around and saw them, and I trusted the reviews. They were really good. I've been going to AJ for a while now. Highly recommend them.